Welcome back to the world of weird. Today I'm making a really quick gift, and later in the video I've got a question for you. I've got some, these are amazing. Look, I've got a whole bag of them, but they've all got stickers on here, and when you peel them off it leaves a sticky residue. So if you know how to get them off, get the sticky off, that would be fabulous. I'm making car air freshener, but I want it to be refillable because everything loses its scent after a while. So I've got a piece of fabric. You could use jelly roll strips for this. It's 2.5 inches wide, and I think it's about 5.5 inches long. I've put a little bit of iron on there and there because I'm going to be using little snap clips, and I don't want them to pull the fabric apart. If you don't have snap clips, you can use little Velcro. You can get a little stick on Velcro. I've got a piece of elastic, or you could use a ribbon, and I've got some coffee beans, or you could use some lavender or whatever you want that's scented. And this cushion stuffing, you could use a little bit of fabric instead if you don't have it. Fold it in half, wrong sides together. And we're going to sew down this side and down this side. I'm using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. If you've got plain fabric, you could do a decorative stitch down here, but this is too pretty, it doesn't need a decorative stitch. I'm sorry if you can hear that work site that's across the way, but I waited ages and they're just not stopping. So my question is, have you seen those videos that say, I sew 50 a day and sell them all? And then she sews something that would take like an hour. Well, not everything looks like it'd take an hour, but some of them just seem ridiculous. I don't know. I was thinking maybe I'll do a video where I test it. Can you sew 50 a day? If you want to see that video, hit the like button. If I get to like, I don't know, 100 likes, if I get to 100 likes, I'll do the video. Can you really sew 50 a day? Right, trim your edges. Add your little snap clips, whatever they're called. I don't know what these ones are called. All right, now fill it with coffee or whatever it is you chose to fill it with. I think I'm going to fill it up about 3/4, no more than 3/4. And the last bit, to make sure they don't fall out, I'm just going to pop a bit of that in. I'm not sewing this bit onto it because I want it to be so you can take it off easily. So this is just going to be tied up in the car. Tie a knot in the end of that, or your ribbon. Drop that back a bit. And I'm going to put it in that way so the knot is inside there. Like that, and then close it up. There we go. Let me know about the 50 a day video. Click the like button or say something in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.